Right wrist. A challenge. Really a painful one for Layla Wahhabi. Hopefully it's a sore one, but she'll recover from. Time in the first half team talk. City have already had to change a fullback because of injury. It's the same thing going to happen to United here, I wonder. The pitch to continue her treatment. Well, to keep up to date with all the latest news in the world of women's football, make sure you've signed up to the official newsletter. You can do that either by clicking on the link in the pinned comments or through the official Barclays Women's Super League website. She's going to be okay. I'm certainly going to try and give it a go. Riviere backward, which is across the ground here. Doesn't look comfortable at all, does she? Third season as a Manchester United player for the Canada international, Jayde Riviere. Going to be a change necessitated for Manchester then. That's the club she left to sign for United in 2020.